Face vaults keep their treasures locked away within hidden chambers. Sometimes, there's a wayfly that can persuade them to divulge their secrets. There are face vaults that eternally gaze serenely, those that scowl at passerby for untold ages, and rumors persist that there are those that will talk until your ears fall from your head. If you want to see me make more art, click the top video, and if you want to see a short stop-motion animation, click the bottom one. And if you want to join me in making imaginary reality, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Until next time, make believe!